here at Potgietersrus Abattoir and I'm with Titi. She is the meat inspector for FSA.
Yes, Food Safety Agency.
Food Safety Agency.
Yes.
And Titi, please explain to us what is happening inside what we saw before.
Okay, as a meat inspector, I'll be checking the whole process. But if we are talking about the inspection side, yes, we start with the head and the feet, and then we go to the rough offals. So those sections will be having the inspectors there. So we'll be inspecting the rough offals. The rough offals are the intestines and the stomach. Then at the red offals, we've got another inspector again. We'll be inspecting the heart, the liver, and the lungs, and then we'll inspect the whole carcass.
The most important thing is safety. The FSA is independent of the abattoir, of course.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Yeah, we are independent.
All right, so the question that I get is, what about foot and mouth disease? How do you check for that and how do you assure for that?
Okay, when the cattle arrived with the antemortem before they are slaughtered, yeah, so I'll be checking if the cow is active, and I'll check the hooves and inside the mouth.
Okay, perfect. And then there's also other checks that you do inside. What are you doing inside?
Yes, inside I've got my team. Yes, there's inspector which works at the head section. There they will be checking the conditions like measles, yes, and abscess, yeah. And even at the rough offals there, yeah, we'll be checking the intestines. Usually the conditions which we found there is enteritis, yeah, and abscess. Then when we're checking the red offals, yes, we usually find the conditions like on the livers, peritonitis, yes, abscess, yes, and then on the lungs we usually find the conditions like pleuritis, pneumonia, yes, and the heart, pericarditis.
I'm glad to hear that the safety is very important. But what if there is a problem? What happens then?
Okay, if there is a problem, we trim the affected part. That is to throw away, we condemn. Yeah. But if we find that, okay, the whole carcass is affected, we condemn the whole carcass without hesitation. That's my job, is to make sure that the meat is fit for human consumption.
Yes. Titi, thank you. That was a very nice interview, and it was a privilege to go through this wonderful facility that does such an important job. You know, without you guys, we can't eat.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And no, it's a pleasure, and I would love to do a follow-up again. This is now our first meeting. I've learned a lot, and I'm still going to learn a lot, but we'll definitely do a follow-up. Thank you, Titi.
No, it's okay. Thank you.